Hey guys, it's Caaliyah and today I'll be showing you how I got these really amazing twist out results using Antoinette Haircare. So of course, y'all know I do not like to do my hair on dirty hair, so it has already been washed and conditioned, and I'll put in the description box what I used. So I'm just parting my hair, sectioning it of course, and then I'm going to get started with these products. So I started with their Moisture Repair Elixir, and both of the products I'll be showing you are made with hibiscus and nettle leaf extract, but I'm just applying this to my scalp because I do deal with dry, itchy scalp. I really like the fact that this has like that little nozzle that you can just apply directly to your scalp. It's such a lifesaver. And I do really like the smell. It has a lavender smell, so I like lavender. But yeah, it helps to promote hair growth, moisturize, and repair your hair. So you can use it on your scalp and also on your hair if you need extra moisture or if you want to seal in any type of moisture. So once I oil my scalp, I'm just going to start by taking my section and spraying it with my spray bottle of water, and then I'm going to detangle with my Tangle Teezer and begin moisturizing with the Antoinette Shea Butter and Hibiscus Extract Moisture Repair Cream. So this cream is for dry, damaged hair, and it's supposed to moisturize, strengthen, and repair. So I really was excited to try these products. They were sent to me, if you saw in my P.O. Box unboxing video. The owner was so sweet. She reposted my video, and I really just wanted to try out her products first, especially because this cream is just so thick and creamy, and y'all know that's my favorite. With my hair being low porosity and also colored, I just find that thicker products tend to do my hair more justice. So it has a very light scent. She did say that she doesn't put any type of fragrance in it. The only thing you would probably smell is like an essential oil, and to me it smells like cocoa butter, but I like the smell. It's very faint. So putting it onto my hair was loving it instantly. Just super soft, super moisturizing. So it does say on the packaging to use a generous amount, so I went in again with another scoop, and then when I did that, this is what my hair looked like. So as you can see, this cream gave me good curl definition, it gave me shine, it gave me moisture. Some of the ingredients include castor oil, shea butter, coconut oil, is it kapauku butter? It's just a lot of moisturizing ingredients. So I already knew my hair was going to be good and moisturized, so I went ahead and just twisted up this section. And I don't know, but for the last month or two, my hair has not been coming out good. It's been frizzing up every style I do, and I've just been hating it. So I did go in and trim my ends as I twisted my hair, and it wasn't anything huge. I literally just clipped off the end, and you'll see in the end that it made a huge difference. So I just ended up doing those steps all around my hair, of course, making sure my hair was saturated with enough water, it was detangled. I had a good amount of the moisture cream, and also I used the oil on my scalp, and at the end I just clipped away a little bit of my ends, dead hair of course, and that is about it. I'm going to speed through and let you guys just watch, and then I'll come back. So one tip I did want to just pop in and show you or tell you guys is that I do like to go in with my Tangle Teezer as I'm twisting my hair, and this just helps to ensure that your hair is tangle free, so that when you go to take down your twist and separate, you won't get a ton of frizz. So this is what my hair looked like when I was finished. I did only do 9 twists, so this is what I would consider a chunky twist out. I like to do chunky twist outs because, I don't know, it gives me a looser curl than when I do smaller twists, which of course will give me tighter curls. But just giving you a 360 view, and then the next clip is going to be the next day. I just let my hair dry overnight, so it air dried, and I'm going to take some of that Elixir and apply it to my hands, because y'all know you gotta apply oil to your hands when you are taking down your twist and separating, so it will help reduce frizz and also just add some more shine. So I got some really good curl definition just from taking down my twist, but I'm going to start separating. So I'm adding just a little bit more oil, not too much. I don't want my hair to be too oily. And then I'm going to separate my curls. And how I do it is pretty self-explanatory. I just take small pieces of my hair, twirl the ends around my finger to keep the curl intact, and that's about it. I did notice that my hair was separating very easily just from using this product, so I did really like that. That helps to reduce frizz. If you want a full in-depth video on how I separate my curls, I will put the video down below. Now this does take about 20 minutes, so to some people it's time consuming, but this is just the way I like to do my hair. So I was so happy with how my hair looked completely separated. Like, it did not have a bunch of frizz like I had been getting. My hair was super soft, super moisturized, defined. I really loved my hair. But of course, y'all know I have to go in with my wide tooth comb and get some volume and kind of just fix my shape. I don't really like how my shape That's a smile. I don't really like how my shape is looking right now, but I just used my wide tooth comb to kind of get it how I liked it. So last but not least, I'm using my Lovely Bees edge control just to fix up my edges a little bit, nothing too crazy. This is my favorite edge control. I've talked about it plenty of times, so I'll put it in the description box. But yeah. So this is all of the trimmed hair that I trimmed off, literally like the smallest amount, but I feel like it made a huge difference. And then these are the final results of my twist out, and y'all, I was so in love. Like, just look at how nice it looks. This product definitely is a must-have in your stash, y'all. This video is not sponsored at all. Like I said, the products were sent to me, but it was my decision to try them and make an entire video. The products, when I looked on the site, they are $19.99 for the cream and $11.99 for the oil. I know some people might say that that's expensive, but just keep in mind that these are handmade, it's Black owned, and it gets my approval. So if you have the money to spend, I would definitely recommend it, because as you can see, just look at my results. I will put a clip at the end of this video to show you my third day hair. This did last an entire week. Could have went longer, but I put it up in a puff for an event. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. Check out J Antoinette. I'll put her information in the description bar, and I will see you guys in my next video.